Southeasterners should stop making noise. Peter Obi is going nowhere. Bola Tinubu is the next president of Nigeria. Asari Dokubo. Nigerians get funny characters. And that is why we are still where we are today. Because people have refused to use their tongue to count their teeth. Asari Dokubo don't come out again. He don't attack Peter Obi. In fact, all the Southeast leaders, Asari Dokubo don't attack them, say none of them go fit be Nigerian president. Now he don't tell Southeasterners to forget about Peter Obi's presidential ambition that he's not going to win. He's now canvassing for Bola Tinubu, just like what Joy Bukwe is doing. These people should understand that they only have one vote, just like every other person. If you feel that Peter Obi cannot win, no problem. Just free yourself and do whatever thing you want to do, and stop talking. If Peter Obi is not a threat to these people right now, I don't think these people should be talking left, right, and center. They are talking because they are being threatened by Peter Obi's movement. Asari Dokubo should go and sleep, because this will not be matter of IPOB and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He will come out and start saying whatever he likes. Nigerians will come after him if time is not taken. You understand? Nigerians know they use this Peter Obi matter, they play, because Nigerians are aggrieved. Every Nigerian know that it's only this Peter Obi can, redeem the country, at least for now. All other candidates, we know they see anything. We know they say anything about them. But these people keep on talking, keep on pushing because of what they want to benefit. They don't even they ask themselves, what can this person offer? This time around, they go shock them. I always laugh when people say Peter Obi do not have structure. He's not going to win and this and that. But they have refused to stop having headache. To that very person they said he does not have structure. Why are they being threatened by someone who does not have structure? You not get structure and do not feel rest. He's only popular on social media, do not feel rest. You see this popular on social media, when they talk, and then go shock. If you can recall what happened during NSAS protest, when it started on social media. Even the Nigerian government directed the movement. They were like, these people, they are not serious. They are not serious. But their eye opened when they saw what, was on ground. And that is the reason why they now use hoodlums, to scatter the protest. Because they know, say, if they keep them quiet, it not go easy for them. You understand? So they've seen the might of that NSAS protest. They said is only on social media. So those people who are still saying Peter Obi supporters are only on social media, their eye go open that day. So Asari Dokubo, if your family is for Bola Tinubu, it's your right. You understand? Nobody is accusing you. But leave those people who said they are obedient. People who said they are obedient, leave them for where they. Because they want to be obedient in where they are right now. Just face your family. Follow the person when you won't follow. Nobody drag you, say, may you come out too. But say, make you come, the shook mouth, they put hair. Check on. Anybody when shook mouth put for Peter Obi, they get them easy. Something go worse. So don't face your own. Like as I said before, this matter not be Biafra agitations when we say you go just they carry talk, make federal government keep Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, may federal government give you chance to go kill him and all that. This one not be that matter. Just stay on your lane right now. Okay, guys, let's quickly check some reactions by Nigerians who have reacted to this. Someone said, Asari Dokubo, thunder go fire you. You see why we are saying that you are fool. As big as you are, you not get sense. Southeasterners are always your problem, but you pretend to be with them. God Almighty will expose all enemies of the Southeast. Someone said, I am not surprised because you went against your own brother, Goodluck Jonathan. So why won't you stand against any other person? God will expose you. Okay, someone said, you remember what happened to Father Mbaka and Ike Ikweremadu? It's like your own is loading. Peter Obi is an anointed one. So anybody who go against him must collect. Okay, guys, these are some reactions by Nigerians. Asari Dokubo has advised Southeasterners to, forget about Peter Obi's presidential ambition. According to him, he said Peter Obi cannot win, that they should support Bola Tinubu. Bola Tinubu is the only one fit to become Nigerian's president and all that. And Nigerians who have reacted here are saying that he should go and ask questions based on history. Anyone who go against Peter Obi must collect. Say na so God keep am. Say then they talk, say God talk, say don't touch my anointed person, because if you do so, your hand will just cripple and all that. So guys, I'm going to drop it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you have not. Thank you very much for stopping by. Bye for now.